Hello everybody! Today I'm off, so I'm heading to a friend's house to fly a little bit. He has a nice track and I'm going there to make some laps and to have some fun, since today there's no work. So I brought only one quad. I've got a few batteries. I've got also a charger, so I can charge some lipos and keep flying a little bit longer. But there's not much sunlight though. So right now it's very close to 6 o'clock. So I'll try to do at least two cycles on each battery, and I'll be good. I hope I don't break anything, because there's no spare quad, but I'm sure I'm gonna have some fun, so I'll see you there. And this is the track. There's a gate, there's a few gates, and I'm gonna take you for a tour. So you come through this gate, okay, full speed. And through the first gate again. It's easy. Well, my friends, this is it. A nice session, and I didn't break anything, so I'm happy. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment if you want, and I'll see you on the next one.